A very warm good evening to all. Myself Natasha, as the master of ceremony of this great function, welcoming you to this grand gala installation ceremony. As we are about to begin our function, kindly remain seated and make yourself comfortable. We are welcoming the galaxy of thinkers this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. The moment has come, and thus it is the suitable time for us to break through the history by launching this meritorious installation ceremony of Lions Club of Chandragiri. Today, on this fine evening, we have gathered here to witness the installation ceremony of Lions Club of Chandragiri. The inspirational aspiration achieved by the Lions Club of Chandragiri has had 6 years meritorious service in the humanitarian field, very well appreciated by all. All these works were implemented under the able leadership of past leaders like Lion Jalil Muhammad, Lion Abdul Nasir TK, Lion CL Abdul Rashid, Lion Farooq Hasmi, and the present leader Lion Iqbal Patwatal MJF. And yes, darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. Yes, the loving young lion is always active in the palliative care activities and uplifting the poor patients with utmost care. Let us welcome Lion Mahmood Ibrahim Ariel MJF, the Treasurer of 2021-22 Service Year, to the dais. There is an acronym that says TEAM, stands for Together Everyone Achieves More. And great leaderships come from those who see themselves as part of a team, who are willing to roll up their sleeves and do what it takes to support, help, guide and mentor. Let us welcome Lion Abdul Khader Tekil MJF, the Secretary of 2021-22 Service Year, to the dais. Please, sir. The Lions Club International's aim is to create and foster among all people for humanitarian needs by providing voluntary services through community involvement and international cooperation, and to be in solidarity with others by helping the weak, helping the needy, sympathy with the suffering. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the man of silent action. Let us welcome Jalil Muhammad to escort the government. I request all the members to raise from your seat for a minute. Next is the flag salutation. May I request Lion AK Faisal to do the flag salutation.